From appliances that cook dinner while you're on your way home, to gadgets that whip up cocktails, pour over coffee, or even craft beer, automatically, it's safe to say kitchens are getting smarter and a whole lot more fun. In this video, we're checking out 10 smart kitchen tools that aren't just cool, they're actually useful. So let's check them out. Let's start with something most of us use every day but rarely pay attention to until it becomes a problem, and that is water. The VIOMI V8 Pro is an under-sink reverse osmosis system, but what makes it interesting is how it improves the everyday experience. A lot of RO systems can be slow, yet this one uses an 800 GPD membrane that can fill an 8.5-ounce glass in about 12 seconds. So whether you are filling a bottle, making coffee, or cooking dinner, you are not left waiting around. It also uses a tankless design, which frees up valuable cabinet space and gives the setup a much cleaner look under the sink. On the filtration side, this is a 9-stage system that targets things like lead, fluoride, arsenic, PFAS, and other common contaminants. So the focus is not just on taste, but also on what you are removing from the water. Now, one feature that stands out every time you use it is the smart LED faucet. It shows real-time TDS, water quality readings, and filter status right at the tap. If you want more details, the companion app lets you monitor usage and system performance from your phone. And because it operates with a 3:1 pure-to-drain ratio, it wastes far less water than many traditional RO systems. And the VIOMI V8 Pro becomes one of those kitchen upgrades you end up using all day without even thinking about it. Now, staying within the VIOMI family, the Master M1 takes many of the strengths we saw on the V8 Pro and pushes them a bit further. Both systems use 9-stage filtration, both feature tankless designs, smart faucets, app connectivity, and the same efficient 3:1 pure-to-drain ratio. So rather than repeating those fundamentals, the real story here is about the upgrades. The biggest one is remineralization. While the V8 Pro focuses on delivering highly purified water, the Master M1 goes a step further by adding beneficial minerals back after filtration. That means you still get the clean water you'd expect from a reverse osmosis system, but with alkaline water that many people find more pleasant for daily drinking. Performance also gets a noticeable boost. The filtration capacity jumps from 800 gallons per day to 1,000 gallons per day, and water delivery becomes incredibly quick, with enough flow to fill a glass in just a few seconds. If your household goes through a lot of water every day, that extra capacity can be useful. The faucet itself also feels more advanced. Instead of a simple display, you get an HD touchscreen interface with one-touch operation and real-time water quality information right at the sink. Perhaps the most impressive upgrade is long-term ownership. The PCB filter is rated for up to 2 years, while the RO membrane can last up to 4 years, which is considerably longer than many systems in this category. So the Master M1 feels like the version for people who want a little more speed, a little more convenience, and the added benefit of mineralized alkaline water. Here's a compact portable vacuum sealer from OWKAR, and it feels thought out. You place your food inside the BPA-free bag, align the sealer over the valve, press once, and it starts automatically. Then it stops on its own once the seal is done. So you do not guess, and you do not overdo it. It even has a removable transparent water tank, which prevents liquid overflow. That means you can seal marinated meat or moist food without stress. The upgraded battery handles over 100 bags per charge, and charging is Type-C, which feels modern. You also get 32 reusable vacuum bags that are dishwasher, fridge, and microwave safe from -24 to 100 degrees Celsius. So if you meal prep or travel, this fits in a drawer or even a backpack. It is cordless, auto shut-off protected, and very family safe. You seal leftovers, snacks, even bottles. And you notice your food stays fresh up to 6 times longer compared to normal storage. It just gives you more control over waste and planning. Chef IQ Sense Smart Thermometer is all about precision without stress. Inside the slim stainless steel probe, you get 5 sensors. 4 track internal temperature from different angles, and 1 monitors the ambient heat around your food. So you see both the inside and the environment in real time. It connects through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which gives you unlimited range through the Chef IQ app. You receive live temp updates, flip reminders, rest timers, and estimated finish times. The app also includes USDA, approved doneness presets, and guided recipes. The probe can handle up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, so it works for high heat grilling, oven roasting, or long smoking sessions. On a full charge, it runs up to 70 hours. The Smart Hub gives audio alerts, and the probe is waterproof and dishwasher safe. For you, this means fewer surprises and more confidence with every cook. Okay, now imagine making smoked brisket right inside your kitchen. No backyard, no smoke, everywhere. The GE Profile indoor smoker pulls that off effortlessly. Real wood pellets, 5 levels of smoke, and not a whiff escapes. Thanks to its active smoke filtration system, you get that rich BBQ flavor without stepping outside. With 6 food presets, brisket, wings, ribs, salmon, you name it, just pick your favorite and let it handle the rest. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Used pellets, collected, tossed, done. So, whether it's your first time trying pulled pork or you're smoking cocktail garnishes for a dinner party, this smoker makes it approachable and indoor friendly. Let's switch gears to something slower, calmer, your morning coffee. But not just any coffee. The xBloom doesn't brew, it curates. All you do is scan the bean pod, and it auto-adjusts grind, temperature, and pour-over technique based on the roaster's exact specs. So yes, you're literally sipping coffee the way it was meant to taste. It even recreates barista-level pouring patterns with its force-controlled dock and solid-state pouring tech. Fancy, right? But here's the thing, it doesn't feel complicated. You drop the beans in, tap to brew, and it handles the rest. You don't even have to think about measurements. There's a built-in scale. And cleanup? Minimal. It's your daily calm, curated to perfection. You know that moment when your salmon is either too dry or barely cooked? Yeah, this fixes that. The Dreo ChefMaker doesn't just cook, it thinks. With built-in cooking intelligence and 3 handy modes, it uses water mist, a heat probe, and convection tech to give you that perfect finish every time. Salmon turns out flaky, chicken stays juicy, and steaks? Spot on. You can follow step-by-step video recipes on your phone or use presets and walk away. It'll even ping you when it's done. The best part? No preheating, no complicated menus, and cleanup's easy with a dishwasher-safe basket. Plus, that clear view window lets you peek in without opening the lid. Okay, this one's wild. Imagine telling your grill what you want, and it just makes it happen. The Brisket Smart Grill has an AI assistant named Vera that literally understands your commands. Make ribs for 4? Vera's got it. It adjusts temp, timing, and smoke levels even if you forget a step. With 7 different cooking functions – grill, sear, roast, bake – it handles everything outdoors. And with precise temp control from 165 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you get beautifully smoked meat or that crispy sear, all in one place. It's built tough for year-round grilling, snow or shine. And yes, the app lets you monitor everything from your phone. So even if you're inside making sides, Vera's outside making magic. If you love chewable Nugget ice, you know, the soft, crunchy kind, this one's worth a look. The Ecozy ice maker makes up to 44 pounds of it daily, and the pull-out water tank means refills are way easier than flipping heavy jugs. The full-color display shows real-time updates, and there's an LED lit basket so you can check your ice without digging around. Use the app or even voice commands to control it. It also self-cleans, which is a huge win. It's a bit bulky for smaller spaces, and while it isn't the quietest appliance, it makes up for it in ease and output. For families or frequent hosts, this is a solid upgrade for your kitchen flow. Now let's move to something more advanced. The Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide. This is where cooking starts to feel automated in a smart way. It runs at 1,100 watts and connects through the Joule app, so you control temperature and timing from your phone. Now, the turbo mode is interesting. It uses algorithm-based calculations and cloud support to cook proteins like steak, chicken, and fish in almost half the usual sous vide time. So you still get precision, but you save time. You can select visual doneness before you start, rare to well done, which removes guesswork. And prime time holds your food at the perfect state until you are ready to eat. That flexibility matters when dinner timing shifts. It also includes guided recipes and cook guides tested by Breville's Test Kitchen. Voice activation works with Google Assistant and Alexa, so you can go hands-free. For you, this means consistent results without hovering over the stove. It is precise up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and it handles up to a 40-liter capacity. So if you love accuracy with meat texture, this becomes a quiet partner in your kitchen. So that wraps our 10 clever kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.